Imagine this. You're just starting your investment journey with only $1,000. How far could it really take you? Well, I gave a complete beginner $1,000 and she turned it into something amazing. Stick around to find out how she did it, the ups, the downs, and the lessons she learned along the way. Hey, everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered if you can make money by investing, this video is for you. Today, we're going to walk you through a real-life experiment where I gave $1 to someone who had zero experience with investing. And let's just say, the results might surprise you. Meet Sarah. She's a complete beginner when it comes to investing. No fancy knowledge, no insider tips, just the basic idea that she wanted to make her money work for her. So what did I do? I gave her $1,000 and told her, start investing. Now, you might be thinking, $1,000 isn't that much. But trust me, for a beginner, it's enough to see what works and what doesn't. At first, Sarah was overwhelmed. There are so many options out there: stocks, ETFs, crypto, real estate. It's easy to feel lost, but here's where the first big lesson comes in. Sarah learned that the key to investing, especially when you're just starting, is to focus on things you understand and feel comfortable with. So she narrowed it down to two main options: stocks and ETFs. After some research and watching countless YouTube videos just like you're doing right now, Sarah decided to invest in some blue chip stocks and low-cost index ETFs. These are solid, well-known companies and funds that have a history of doing well. No crazy risky moves for her first investment. That's a smart choice. And here's the thing, while she was learning and making decisions, she didn't just throw her money in without understanding it. She took the time to research each stock, understand the business model behind the ETFs, and check out the performance trends. Investing isn't all rainbows and sunshine. After putting her money in, Sarah saw her portfolio go up and down. Some days she was excited, and other days, well, not so much. But this is a critical point. You'll experience ups and downs in the market, and that's totally normal. The real question is, how do you handle those emotions? Fast forward 3 months, and here's where things got interesting. Sarah's portfolio had both gains and losses, but her patience paid off. By sticking to her strategy, staying informed, and not panicking when things dipped, she ended up with a modest profit. Not bad for a beginner, right? Remember, investing isn't about making a quick buck. It's about being smart, staying informed, and giving your investments time to grow. So, what did Sarah learn from this experience? First, the importance of doing your own research. Second, don't be afraid to start small. Even with just $1,000, she gained invaluable experience. And third, investing is a long-term game. Now, we're not saying that everyone is going to become a millionaire with $1,000. But Sarah's story proves that with the right mindset and the right choices, you can absolutely start building a solid financial foundation for your future. Want to make $1,000 in just one day? Sounds impossible, right? Well, what if I told you it's not only possible, but there are a few methods that can get you there today without any special skills or a massive startup investment? Stick around and I'll show you the exact steps to make that money fast. And trust me, you won't want to miss it. 1. Offer a quick service for gig. First up, one of the quickest ways to make $1 is by offering a service that people need right now. Think about things you can do fast, like house cleaning, dog walking, or even offering freelance services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. For example, if you have experience with graphic design, web development, writing, or even voiceover work, you can offer your services for a higher rate, especially for projects that need to be completed quickly. Here's a tip. Target local clients or businesses that may need help in the short term. People are often willing to pay a premium for urgent work, and that can help you hit that $1,000 target in a single day. 2. Sell unused items. Now, let's talk about decluttering and turning your unused items into cash. Everyone has stuff lying around they don't need, whether it's clothes, electronics, furniture, or collectibles. You can use apps like Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, or even eBay to sell these items. Trust me, people are always looking for a good deal, and you'd be surprised how much money you can make by just clearing out your space. And with items like electronics or designer clothes, you can easily make a few $100s each. Bundle a few items together to increase your chances of hitting $1,000. 3. Deliver food or drive for ride-sharing services. Next up, if you have a car and some free time, driving for Uber, Lyft, or delivering for DoorDash or Uber Eats can be an excellent way to earn money fast. The key to making big money in a short amount of time with these services is to work during peak hours, usually during lunch and dinner rushes or on weekends. On top of the regular pay, you can often earn tips, which can really add up. If you're in a busy area, you could be looking at $25 or more per hour. So, with 6 to 8 hours of solid work, you could easily hit that $1,000 goal. 4. Offer a specialized consulting session. If you're an expert in something, whether it's digital marketing, fitness, career coaching, or even something niche like video editing, offering one-on-one coaching or consulting sessions can be a great way to earn a good chunk of change in one day. Charge a premium for your time. For example, if you charge $100 per hour and book 10 clients, you're already at $1,000. Make sure you market your service well by leveraging social media, your network. 5. Create and sell digital products. Another amazing way to make fast money is by creating and selling digital products like books, courses, printables, or templates. If you have knowledge on a specific topic, say personal finance, cooking, or productivity, you can create a simple ebook or guide and sell it on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. It doesn't have to be super fancy. In fact, the simpler, the better, especially if you're trying to move fast. These products are 100% scalable. Once they're created, they're ready to sell on repeat, which means you can make money all day long without much effort after that initial creation. So, there you have it. 5 different ways you can make $1,000 in just 24 hours. Whether it's offering your skills, selling things you don't use, or taking advantage of the gig economy, it's all about taking action and finding the right opportunity. The best part, you don't need to be a millionaire or have a ton of resources to get started. You just need determination, a little hustle, and the right strategies to make it happen. Now, go ahead and give one of these ideas a try. Who knows? By this time tomorrow, you might just be $1,000 richer. Make sure to like this video if you found these tips helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more money-making ideas, side hustle tips, and financial freedom strategies. And if you have any of your own tips for making fast money, drop them in the comments below. Let's help each other out.